Forget boring coffee and forget even boring or toast. We're diving into the world of tea that's not your grandma's dusty tin. No offense, Grandma. Today's brew? Hibiscus tea, a ruby red beauty that even Cleopatra was obsessed with, probably for her post-catfight glow. But hibiscus isn't just about fancy queenly vibes. This tea's got superpowers. We're talking about potentially chilling out your blood pressure, helping you wave goodbye to a few extra pounds, and even giving your liver some high fives. So ditch the yawn-inducing morning routine and let's get this tea party started. P.S. Don't worry, there won't be any pinky in the air stuff. Just real talk, cool facts, and maybe a sprinkle of tea puns. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Buckle up, tea sippers. It's gonna be a hot one. Now, let's get to know this tea a bit. Originating from North Africa and Southeast Asia, it's got this tangy, cranberry-like kick. And guess what? You don't need to hit up fancy coffee joints to get your fix. You can whip up a delightful cup right at home. Grab some fresh hibiscus flowers or snag a bunch of dried ones from your local store. Steep 2 spoons of these petals in 4 cups of water for about 15 minutes. Don't go overboard, or your tea might pull a bitter face. Add a splash of lime juice and honey if you're feeling fancy, strain it out, and voila! Your homemade hibiscus tea is ready to roll. Feeling lazy? No worries, just snag a hibiscus tea bag. Go organic though, no chemicals allowed. This ruby-colored infusion isn't just a looker, it's packing vitamins A and C, plus minerals like copper, zinc, and manganese. And hey, if you're thinking of switching up your iced tea game in the summer, Hibiscus has your back. Just chill your brewed tea in the fridge and pour it over a few ice cubes. Easy peasy, right? So, whether you're a tea enthusiast or just looking for a refreshing twist, give hibiscus tea a shot. Your taste buds might just thank you. All right, let's dish out some deets on the fantastic health benefits of hibiscus tea. First up, it's like a superhero against hypertension. With almost half of US adults dealing with high blood pressure, this light and refreshing tea can be your heart's BFF. It helps unclog arteries, lower blood pressure, and it's not magic, it's pure science. Clinical studies even showed it brought the blood pressure of hypertensive adults back to baseline in just 6 weeks. No meds needed. But, heads up, if you're on blood pressure meds, chat with your doc before sipping this tea. We don't want any surprises. Now, if you're parched and on the lookout for a healthy drink, hibiscus tea is your H2O hero. Water is life, right? But coffee, tea, sodas, and even booze can leave you a bit dried out. Enter hibiscus tea, caffeine-free, and ready to keep you hydrated, helping you hit that 3 to 4 liters of water goal every day. Feeling like a natural beauty boost? Hibiscus tea is your backstage pass. It's a social media darling for a reason. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, it fights off skin aging and brings back your glow. Another player, myrcene, helps slow down the breakdown of collagen and elastin, while the vitamin C in it is like a VIP pass for your skin cells. It's the full package for your skin-loving soul. But hey, if you're allergic to okra, cotton, cacao, durian, or any mallows plant family member, you might want to skip this tea. And moderation is key. Guzzle too much, and you might get a ticket to Headache City, along with ringing ears, upset stomach, and more. Keep it under 720 milliliters per day, and you're good to glow. Oh, your liver deserves a round of applause, and guess what could give it a standing ovation? Hibiscus tea. Your liver is an unsung hero that does a ton. The liver stores stuff, makes hormones, detoxifies like a champ 24/7. But, let's face it, it takes a beating with those chips and chocolates. Hibiscus tea is like a superhero sidekick for your liver. It's not just a pretty face, it's a detox dynamo. Now, if you're thinking about shaping up, hibiscus tea might just be your fitness buddy. Forget the hourglass figure in 12 weeks. Scientific research backs it up. A study with 36 overweight participants sipping on hibiscus extract showed a noticeable drop in weight, body mass index, body fat, and that coveted hip-to-waist ratio. Who knew a cup of tea could be such a game changer? But wait, there's more. Hibiscus tea is like a warrior against bad cholesterol. It boosts the good stuff and kicks triglycerides to the curb. Post-workout sip, anyone? Just a heads up, if you're expecting or nursing, hold off for a bit. But don't worry, your tea time will come. And that gorgeous magenta color? It's all thanks to polyphenols, the unsung heroes behind the scenes. Studies say these bad boys can take on cancer-causing free radicals. Hibiscus tea is like a shield, keeping stomach and prostate cancer at bay. So, skip the store-bought stuff with added sugar and weird additives. Your homemade brew is a cancer-fighting superstar, packed with antioxidants and freshness. Here's to cozy tea moments and health. What else can a cup of hibiscus tea do? Ever feel like period cramps turn you into a bed-bound warrior? Well, turns out this herbal magic can dial down the intensity of those menstrual cramps. When your back, stomach, and hips are staging a rebellion, grab a warm cup of hibiscus tea. It's got diuretic powers, helping beat bloating and bid farewell to water weight. Hydration, check. It even plays the role of a gentle laxative, assisting in digestion. Need an extra kick? Squeeze in some orange, lime, or grapefruit juice for a citrusy twist. It's like a flavor party that can ease nausea. Plus, hibiscus tea has this cool trick. It chills out your uterus and bladder, taking the edge off those cramps. Make it a monthly ritual, FYI. While using hibiscus tea for period cramps has been a go-to home remedy for ages, it's worth noting there's not a ton of published scientific evidence. So, keep it in check. Under 2 cups a day, moderation is the name of the game. Now, if you're still on the fence about making this awesome tea, here's a nudge. Hibiscus tea is a friend to folks with diabetes. Your healthcare squad might tell you to steer clear of sugary drinks, but fear not. Hibiscus tea has your back. It's like a blood sugar superhero, slowing down the diabetes train. Perfect for pre-diabetics too, just skip the sugar and sweeteners. Want a sweet kick? Add a dash of cinnamon. It's been known to handle blood glucose levels. And hey, a touch of ginger can spice things up. I'm sure by now you're on board with us, but guess what? There's still more to this ruby red hibiscus tea. Feeling like you've been ringing in sick days a bit too often? Hibiscus tea might just be your superhero energizer. It's not just any tea. It's a one-way ticket to boosting your immunity like never before. Here's the scoop. Those anthocyanins we talked about earlier, they pack some serious anti-inflammatory power. Whether you're battling a pesky urinary tract infection or a respiratory tract issue, 1 cup of hibiscus tea can flood your system with antibacterial protection. It's like a natural bacteria buster, taking down bad guys like E. coli that think they can thrive in us. And the proof is in the studies. Hibiscus extract has been shown to reduce bacterial infections. There's this cool test tube study that revealed hibiscus extract could take on 8 different bacteria strains, a feat only a handful of medications can match. Talk about a powerhouse in a teacup. Cheers to the powerhouse in a teacup. Hibiscus tea, your ultimate sidekick for everything from defeating period cramps to boosting immunity. It's not just a pretty face. It's the unsung hero your body's been waiting for. So, swap the sick days for tea time and let those anthocyanins do their dance. If you've sipped on hibiscus tea, spill the tea in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to keep the good vibes and health tips flowing. Join the hibiscus hype train. It's the tastiest journey to a healthier, happier you.
Dirty, no, I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy.